Hello everyone, so I'm working on this voice translation app using the MIT App Inventor. You can see this is really amazing app, and as you can see here, you can translate your language in the real time. Here we are using English to Spanish. Okay, so whenever I say English, anything in English, so that will automatically translate to the Spanish. So let me just show you how this will work. Let's click on the voice translation. Okay, hello.
Hola, hola.
I can see hello, hola, right? Now let's try to say anything again. How are you?
¿Cómo estás?
Okay, you can see this one written this language. So I don't know Spanish, but it must be true because I know the hola meaning. Okay, so that's the overall app we are gonna create tomorrow. If you have any other feature, I'm just planning to add the drop down list so you can translate any language to the any other language. So I'll try to add this feature in this app. So tomorrow we will see how we can create this app step by step. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.